Hey everyone, today we're working on the log splitter. I've got a log splitter that I've been working on. We're going to try to get it back into service, but one of the things is that the tire keeps going flat. So I've noticed that if I put air into it, I'm going to fill it up right now with some air. And if you listen, it's coming from the valve stem. See? None. So I think the valve stem or the schrader valve there is bad. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off the rim and try to then replace that valve stem, okay? So on this one, we're going to take a hammer and we're going to take the cap off right there. And I've started it before I start filming, and I'm going to spin it. We're going to get that cap off like so we don't damage the cap, okay? So we don't want to put any dents on it. There we go. Alright, and then I think we can get it loose the rest of the way once we finish this off here. That's good. Okay, let's get the rest of it off. Alright, I'm going to put a screwdriver on here, a large one, and see if I can twist that cap. Make my way around and twist. And there we go. There we go. Alright, so we're going to take the cotter pin and the nut off. Alright, let's do that next. Okay, we're bending the cotter pin back so we can pull it out. Alright, change over to better pair of pliers. These little needle nose hopefully will be better. And then just squeeze that over. Alright. Oh, there we go. We got it out almost. Alrighty. Pull the pin out. Now I'm going to get the nut off. Really no drag on it at all, so that should be really easy to come off. And I don't know, it looks like some junk got in here. And let's see what we got here. And the wheel should just come right off. And there we go. Okay. And inside there's actually a tapered bearing, so we'll grease that. Alright, before we put it back together. Alright, let's get over to the other part. Alright, first we're going to use the schrader valve tool and remove the schrader valve so we get the air out. There we go. Then we're going to get the bead blaster, the bead breaker, and we're going to try to break the bead on this. Right around here especially. There we go. Alright. We broke the bead. So now I can get access to the valve stem from here, and I'm going to cut it off and then insert a new valve stem. Okay, so let's do that. Alright, just take a blade, put it down here and just cut it off. Okay, I just cut the bottom of it, and then what you'll notice is that the top will just come right out. Alright, let's clean that off just a little bit on both sides, and then we'll get the new valve stem ready to go. Alright, I got a new valve stem and an insulation tool. So first, you pull it in, push it through, then take the tool, screw it on top, like so. Make sure you get it on all the way so you don't mess up the threads of the new valve stem. Like so. And for added insurance on the bottom before I pull it through, I'm going to apply a little bit of this inner liner. It's a black goopy stuff, and it's thick, but I'm going to get a little bit of it, okay, like so. and I'm going to put it around the valve stem on the bottom, okay, before I pull it through. That's just going to give me a little bit of insurance in this old rim tire combination that hopefully it's going to stay together for me, huh? Like so, just like that. And then what I'll do is I'll also coat the edge of the tire a little bit to make sure that it seals tight. Now, all we have to do is raise it, put it on one of these notches, and pull it through until it seats like that, and that's it. And then that's seated. All right. Check the back side. Underneath looks good. It looks like it's seated. And now I'm going to air up the tires to seat it. There we go. Sealed. All right. And we're just going to mount the tire back the way we did before, and that's pretty much it. And looks like it's nice and solid. We'll see. No more leaking from the valve stem. So hopefully it'll hold the tire pressure. I know it's cracked. I probably need to get a new tire in the future, but at least now I know the valve stem is not going to be the issue of the problem, okay? Sorry that the videos are going slow, but you know, during this time of COVID-19, you know, there's not much work to be done, and just taking care of a few things around the house. Thank you all for subscribing, and have a good week. Bye now.